welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon, the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. I'm doing this wrong, aren't I? There we go! Hello! If you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. Spoonie is someone who lives with a chronic condition, and a stitcher is somebody who does stuff with textiles, but it's also a joke because I'm covered in stitches, just like Sally. Lots of surgeries. Oh well. I love to be creative on this channel. I love all kinds of crafting. It's true, the textile arts are my main focus, and I do teach crochet over here, but I enjoy all kinds of creativity in here, including animation. So today is Pin Me Up Wednesday. Woohoo! Pin Me Up Wednesday is where all the mostly Disney YouTubers show off their pin collections, and this was started by the group called The Besties, which is De'Ara at De'Ara's Lounge, Shay at Disfy Life, Devaney at Disney and Devaney, and Stephanie at Ethereal Creed. If you do not follow them, you should. Every channel I mention will be linked down below in the description box. You need to check them out. They are amazing. I enjoy their channels very, very much, and they're very nice ladies. I've spoken to them as well. Should we go to the table? Let's go. Hi. Okay, so I have some pins here that I've acquired, and I also have a small little thing that I want to show that I don't know what other video I would put it in. So I'm going to put it in a Pin Me Up Wednesday video, and ladies, I'm really sorry if that's against the rules. I don't know. I just don't know where else to put this. Anyway, I'm going to do that first. I got some bitty pops. Aren't they cute? So this is Funko, like the big Funko Pops. This is the teeny tiny version. And yes, I've already opened it. And there's a mystery one inside, but I've already unboxed them. So look at this. Isn't that cute? They're real too. Let's get out Cinderella here. They're 100% just like a Funko. You can take them out. Look at this. It's like a tiny Funko. Now, I'm a crafter, so these are probably not gonna stay just a little mini Funko. I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet, but I'm very excited. I have a friend who loves Cinderella, and one who loves Snow White, and one who loves Aurora, and one who loves Anna, so that was totally perfect. We've got Snow White here, so you can see her up close. Isn't she cute? They even have, I don't know if you can see, teeny tiny little red marks on her sleeves. I tried to do it all. It's so cute. And I love the boxes. They're like real Funko boxes with the little description on the back, little Funko on the side with the number. I bet this is even correlating number to original Funko Pop. So here's Aurora. She's in pink, but I won't quibble. For those of you who don't know, I prefer Aurora in blue. But anyway, so there's Aurora. And I think Anna was the mystery. Yes, Anna was the mystery. So there she is. So I could have gotten Coronation Anna, Pink Dress Ariel, Coronation Elsa, and 2017 Belle. So here they are, and they've got this cute little container that they go in, so you can display them if you want to. And I just realized this is upside down because this says Funko on the top and it's supposed to be like that. Let's try it again. Let's put them in order. So Snow White was first, and then it was Cindy, and then Aurora, and way later, Anna. So here's the little container, and these are the ones you can get. So they've got several little collections. I got this one, And as you can see, they're stackable. And anyway, I just thought they were really cute. I know they're not pins. I just didn't know where else to put this, guys. So there it is. Okay. Now, here are the pins, what you've been waiting for. So, now, these are different kinds of pins. I used to get the Club Crochet boxes, and recently I unboxed a little thank you for being so patient waiting for the book kind of gift from them, and you can see that on my Instagram if you want to. And they had a pin in there of his cat. And then I remembered, oh, my Club Crochet boxes actually came with pins for each collection. So I have those. Here they are. So the first one was the photosynthesis box. So this is a yarn cactus with a little crochet hook sticking out of it. Hoping you can see all the detail. There's a little smiley face on the terracotta pot. The little yarn balls are shaped like cactus, and then there's a little crochet hook right there. Isn't that cute? And then the next one we had was Under the Sea. So we have, I think this one's my favorite. We have a yarn octopus, and uh-oh, he grabbed onto the crochet hook that was bait. Oh no! He's in a little fish bowl. He's so cute. I've decided it's a him. I don't know. So, isn't that cute? What a great idea. And then these two are actually magnets. But they're still supposed to act like pins. So this one is a yarn eclair. Isn't that cool? And this one is for the holidays. Oh no, I can't get it open. What am I doing wrong? Come on. There we go. So this one's for the holidays, and this is a little yarn ball ornament. So that's it. I have misplaced the little cat pin, but when I find it, I will put up a picture over here. And you guys can see the little cat pin that looks like his cat, which is pretty fun. Oh, sorry. Club Crochet is run by Louie. That's who I mean by him. And his cat, whose name escapes me at the moment, was the little model for the little cat pin. Because in all his lives, Louie has like a cat cam. I can't talk. Anyway, this pin is from Club Crochet as well, and this is his cat. So he designed a pin that looks like his cat because during his lives there's a little cat cam and you can see what his little cat is up to, so he's kind of like a mascot for the channel. Isn't he cute? So he just yeah. My friend went to a convention recently and she came back. My Glenda got me a fantasy pin for Wicked, because she is the Glenda to my Elphaba. Is this not beautiful? So Star Salts, we got any information? Oh no, we don't. So I don't know if you can look up maybe that small shop or Instagram or something. I'll try to find some information for you guys so you can look them up, because this is beautiful. Look at that. I just thought this was wonderful, and thank you so much, my Glenda. This was such a sweet surprise. So yeah, there's that. My sweet Glenda picked up these pins for me at a local theater as well. So these are from, I believe, AMC Theater or Cinemark, I'm not sure which one, and they are the official like theater only Glenda and Alphaba collector pins. So I have those for my collection as well. I am working on 2 collections right now. So if any of you are interested in learning about me, I guess, I am working on my WandaVision pins and maybe Agatha All Along if they start to make pins for that, and my Wizard of Oz pins. So those are the 2 collections I'm working on right now, but I know neither one of them are Disney, I'm sorry. Well, WandaVision is, because it's Disney Plus. So Marvel. I'm working on WandaVision / Agatha All Along, which is kind of the same thing, and then my Wizard of Oz ones, which I have my eye on the Ruby Slippers, so I'm hoping to get that one next, because I would really like to have the Ruby Slipper pin. I think that one is awesome. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. Short video today. Hope it was entertaining for you. Leave me a comment down below. Do you like any of these? I believe you can still get these in Louie's shop, so you don't have to be a member. So I think I will leave his shop information down below. And if you want to get any of these cute little pins for maybe a yarn lover in your life, there you go. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. And remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.